fix your Instagram, your request problem on your Instagram account. Today guys, I will show you and share with you how to do this. Just watch this video until the end. So let's start. First you will just open your Instagram, and as you see, I have a problem on my Instagram. I will go now to settings, and on settings I will go to apps here, and on apps I will look for Instagram here, and I will go now to storage, and I will click clear data. Then I will click OK, and that's it. So I hope this video is useful for you. Don't forget to like, also to subscribe in our channel, and see you in another videos.